Hello and good morning, first graders. Today in math, we are going to be talking about equations. Now, we've done a lot of addition in the past, so what are some of your favorite ways to solve addition problems? Yes, right, we can use our fingers to solve addition problems. So, say we have an addition problem that is 2 plus 2. What is one way we can solve that? Well, we have 10 fingers, so we can go 2 plus 2, and we would come up with the answer of what? What is 2 plus 2? Yes, exactly. It is 4. All right. So a lot of times we write our equations horizontally. Now, horizontally is a pretty big word. Does anyone know what it means? That's close. Horizontally is like this, a straight line across. Okay? It's called horizontally, and it's like a horizon or a sunset. Okay? So everyone stand up, okay, and put your arms like this. This straight line is horizontally. Okay? So when you lay down in your bed, you're laying down horizontally. So a lot of our math problems are written in a straight line like that. Okay, but the new way today we're going to be learning how to write our word problems or our addition problems is called vertically. Now, vertically is a straight line up and down, like this. Well, it's not straight, but that's a straight line up and down. So when you stand up, you're standing vertically. Okay, say vertically with me. Vertically. So if I'm laying down in bed like this, what is this called? Yes, that's horizontal. And when I'm standing straight up, that's called vertical. Good job. What are some other ways we do addition problems? Yes. Drawing pictures. Exactly. Now you can use pictures and do your equations vertically. For example, I have 2 orange kitties. Alright. And I have 2 brown dogs. Now, normally you would put them in a straight line across, which is called what? Horizontally. Good job. But in this case, we're going to put them in a straight line down, 2 and 2. So that would be what a straight up and down is. What is it? Vertically. Good job. So our equation is going to be, so there's 2 cats and there's 2 dogs. And we want to know how many cats and dogs there are. So what would our equation be? Yes. It's going to be 2 plus 2. Now the way you write an equation vertically is like this. So you have the upper half and the lower half, and you put a plus sign here, and then you draw a line like this. Does anyone know what this line represents? Close, but this is going to be the sum. So underneath this line, you're having 2 cats plus 2 dogs, and what is the answer going to be? Yep, 4, exactly. So this is just like how you would write it horizontally. So if I were to write it horizontally, let's say I have 1 cat plus 1 dog, and what goes here? What do we normally write when we're writing horizontally? Yes, an equal sign. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. So you can do the same thing You can do it horizontally or vertically. All right, now let's talk about when we do our addition problems. And when we do our addition problems, do we want the smallest number on the top, or do we want the biggest number on the top? Yes, the bigger number. So say I'm going to say 3 plus 2. So I want to write it with the 3 on the top plus the 2 on the bottom, and then our line. Now, there's a special word for this top and bottom. This top is called the odd end. All right, the odd end is the top number of an equation written vertically. Okay, so that's an odd end. That's the top. And the bottom number is called an add end. Now, doesn't this number, or this letter, this word, sound a lot like what we're doing? What are we doing with this plus sign? We're adding. So this is called the add end, and that is the second number. All right, now I'm going to cover this up. Now, what is it called? The top number is called a what? Not an add end, but that is one of them. Yes, an odd end. An odd end is the top number. Now, what about an add end? Yes, the second number. The first number is an odd end, and the second number is an add end. Okay? Now, I'm going to take these down, and I'm going to write a vertical equation, and I want you guys to tell me where I need to put the odd end sign and the add end sign. Okay? All right, let's say 4 plus 2. Okay, Sam, where do I need to put the add end sign on this equation? Next to the 2? All right. And where do I need to put the odd end sign? By the 4. Now, class, did Sam do that correctly? Yes, he did. Good job, Sam. So, class, what is our answer? We added our odd end and our add end together. So 4 plus 2 is what? Yes, 6. Good job. All right, let's do a couple more. And now I'm going to write an equation, and I'm going to put these up there, and you guys got to tell me what is wrong, okay? All right, what is wrong about this vertical equation? Yep, the top is what? It's not the add end, it's the odd end. And the bottom number is not the odd end, it's the add end. Good job. Now, did anyone notice a third problem with our equation? We have 2 plus 3 equals what? Exactly, the larger number needs to be on the top. So how would I write it instead? I had 2 plus 3. How would I write it? Yep, 3 plus 2. And what is 3 plus 2? 5. Good job. All right. Alright, now let's make it a little more difficult. Let's use pictures. Because like you said, we don't always use numbers when we're doing addition problems. Sometimes we use pictures or tally marks or M&Ms to add. Alright, so let's Alright, so first, where do our odd-end and add-end papers go? Jimmy. Where the dogs are, which one? The odd-end, good job. And Sarah, what about the add-end? Goes on the bottom. Now, Sarah, can you tell me what our equation says? So we know there's dogs and cats up there, but how would you read that? 3 plus 2. So this same equation can be written with numbers horizontally. So you would write it 3 plus 2 equals. And what does 3 plus 2 equal? Yes, 5. 5. Good job. Now you guys have a paper that you're going to do. And it looks like this. Alright, and you all have it in front of you. So we're all going to read the directions out loud together. It says, add the animals together and put your answer in the box to the right. Alright, now you can see that these little animals right here, so we have a cat, frogs, and dogs. And what is this called? How are these cats written in the equation? So you have one cat plus one cat, but doesn't that look like a straight line across? So what is that called? What did we say that was called? If it's written in a straight line. Yes, horizontally. So all of these animals are written in equations horizontally, going in a straight line. Okay? And then the questions, or the numbers over here, are written going up and down. So what do we call that? Vertically. Good job. So you have one cat plus one cat, okay? And then you have it written over here in number form, 1 plus 1, but it's written vertically. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to add all these together, and you're going to put the number below this line, which is also what? It's a line straight across, so what is it called? Horizontally. So you're going to write the sum of these numbers below this line, okay? Now let's do 2 more problems. These ones are going to be a little more difficult, okay? Alright, so let's put this into a word problem. We'll do one. Susie went to the store and bought 5 eggs, okay? She bought 5 eggs. So we'll just draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she bought 5 eggs. And when she got home, she made breakfast and used, let's see. She bought 5 eggs and then went back to the store and bought 3 more. So you have 5 eggs, but then she went and bought 3 more eggs. So what would our equation be? She had 5 eggs to begin with, and then she bought 3 more. 5, yep, plus 3. Okay, and I want to write this vertically. So what does that mean? I'm going to write it what? Yep, up and down. So which number is going to be on the top? Yep, 5. And what is 5? Is it our addend or augend? Yes, augend, okay? So 5 plus what? 3. And 3 is our addend. Good job. And 5 plus 3 equals what? 8. All right, good job today, class. You all did a really good job. Keep remembering to do equations both vertically and horizontally, and you will be math magicians one day. All right, have a good day.